Okay, folks, we're out here, Columbia City, City Automall. Nice. That's nice. Ah, that poker looks nice. Oh, look at this. Woo. Grand Cherokee Supercharged. That baby will stomp down on you. Look at that engine in there. All power. All power in there. Hey, this is Al with the auto show, the car show by Alex on YouTube channel. Look for us on there. The Mustangs out here. We were at the last one. Really nice vehicles in Auburn, fast and fabulous. Hey, check that out. See if we can do a close-up. Got a skeleton hanging in the passenger seat. Yeah. There you go. He's just kind of chilling in the passenger seat. There you go, folks. Yeah. I don't know his name. He didn't introduce himself. That looks nice. I think this is a Morgan, but I'm not sure. Oh, that looks nice. Got some awards. British plates. Got a V6 in it. Maybe this isn't a Morgan. It's a Mercedes, it's saying, but not sure. Oh, that looks nice. Nice Mustang. Wow, that looks nice. 66, Route 66. I remember that show as a kid. Get that. Alright, T-Bird.
Alright, what's your name? Where you from? What's your name? Where you from?
Nice T-Bird.
Fort Wayne, huh? Fort Wayne. Thanks for coming out, buddy. Appreciate it.
More Mustangs.
Alright. So 473 is that Columbia?
Hey, let's grab this real quick. This is that Roadrunner. We saw this down at the Fast and Fabulous in Auburn, and we mistakenly called it a Super B. We had to correct that. Here it is again. Man, that's a good looking car. That's a Roadrunner, guys. Yes, sir. They were very popular. Got another vet here looking good and laying in the cut. Looking good. Got a black on black and black Camaro. Uh-oh. Check it out. Here we go. All right, look at that engine. Look at that hood. Oh. That baby looks like it's cleaning up. Look at those wires. That's cleaning up heat off of. Woo. Look at this. Oh, caddy. Well, that looks good. This is all original, too. 65 or 66?
65, sir.
65. Hit that right on the head. Boy, she looks good. That body looks good. Got a little work to do. Is this a Fleetwood?
That's on the other side. Yeah, Fleetwood.
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, that looks good. That looks good, sir.
Still a work in progress.
Yeah, here we go. Low rider with some patina. Yes. Looks good. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, that's a nice paint job. Hey, this is Al. The Car Show by Alex on YouTube channel. Good looking vehicles out here. We are in Columbia City at the City Automall. Nice big show. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Boy, that looks good. Boy, that looks good. Boy, look at the back. He's got the back of it open. Whew. Oh boy. Woo, look at that. Look at that. This yours? And this looks good. Cobra. Look at that. Boy, that baby looks like she'll make you cry. Mama! Ooh-wee. Look at that engine. Who we got the pleasure of speaking with?
My name's Jay.
Jay, very nice meeting you, sir. My name is Al. I'm with the Car Show by Alex on YouTube.
Okay.
And we're going to post this.
Nice.
Hey, this is what you don't mind if I walk around it, do you? All right. Yes, sir. Look at that U.S. Army. You were a serving man?
No, I wasn't. I got it.
Okay. Boy, this looks good. How much work did you do to it, Jay? Ooh, look at that engine, you all. Look at that engine. Man, oh man, that looks like a skyscraper. Ooh, that engine looks good. Yes, sir. That baby will make you get out and go sign your will. Update your insurance after you get back. Go to church the next day. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Look at that interior. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those shifts, you all. Boy, that looks good. That's a good looking vehicle, you all. That's a good looking vehicle. Let's see what it is. This is a 1977 Ford Mustang Cobra. That looks good. That looks definitely good. That baby look like she'll scream. Nice cutlass next to it. From father to son, 1970. Coming up on another caddy. Here, Coupe de Ville, 65. Ooh, that's clean. Boy, that's clean. That is clean. Maybelline. Boy, that looks good. 429 Calais. Yes, sir. That looks good. Let's see if we can come in on it. We've got a model here, right behind the flag. This is exceptionally clean. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that engine. That engine is good. Look at that. So I remember riding in these as a kid. That's a beautiful. Look at that interior. Perfect. That interior is perfect. Look at that. Boy, that's beautiful. That is beautiful, you all. I'm sure you do. I'm from a large family and my older brothers. So guess what I have in the garage? No. 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 Nice 57 sitting there. Oh, that looks good. I think I saw that at another show. Well, I made it out here. Show is beginning to wrap up, but I made it out here to grab a few vehicles. There we go. Boy, that looks good. Sounds good, too. Watch it as it rolls out. Go ahead. We'll get a few as they roll out. '57 or '56? '55. Excuse me, yes sir. Excuse me, yes sir. Looks good.
Well, the whole thing looked the same. 56 had the Continental kit.
That was the one. I remember those as a kid.
Yeah.
Walking down the street, they had that kid on the back.
Yeah.
But I could never tell, and they all had the upper window.
No, 55 did.
Oh, really?
When I bought this, it had them in there, so I just left them in there.
Okay.
56 and 57, it was an option.
Okay.
Either way on that.
Okay.
Yeah, the 56 had the Continental kit, then 57 was the bigger one with the fin.
That looks good. I think I'm still rolling, so I caught all of that. My name is Alex, and I run the YouTube channel called The Car Show by Alex on YouTube. Before you take it out, put it back. Let me grab it. What year? Yeah, I come from this era. So all of these are familiar to me. It's 64. This is a Mercury Monterey. Yes, sir. Convertible. Looks good. Look at the model on the top. Saw another Cadillac over there. 65 Cadillac over there. Coupe with a model on the top. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good. Looks good. Thank you, sir, for putting that back up there for me. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Yes, sir. This looks like a 57 Bel-Air. Boy, she looks good. Clean, too. That is clean, folks.